All right, so Dollar Tree has Nickelodeon socks. These are so cute. The Rugrats. What was your favorite cartoon? Mine's definitely was Jimmy Neutron. Okay, I love me some Jimmy Neutron. Let us know in the comment section what was the cartoon you used to rock out to when you was a kid. All right, love this. $1.25. I am so ecstatic right now when I tell you they have so many new items. Honey, today we at the Dollar Tree in Fairview, New Jersey. We just styling and doing a little profiling. You get what I'm saying? Out in these streets. Check this out. I need somebody to come help me, Jill. Looky. St. Ives? Oh, yes, at Dollar Tree. Let me tell you something. This is the exfoliate and toner apricot. Child, get into this. Designed for a combination skin, $1.25. Still, could we say still? Put a 10 in the comment section. Still, you know I deliver. Check this out. My loves is all the new items for me, okay? All the new items. Look at this, looky, cookie. They have the Wicked Lip Mask. This is one lip mask, firming, hydrating, soothing, and rejuvenating. Okay, $1. Could you believe this? $1.25, child. Honey, if I'm lying, I'm flying. And I ain't got no wings. Check this out. My loves, Dollar Tree said you looking for some cosmetic bags. Are you looking for cosmetic bags? Okay, because Dollar Tree got it. You see this? Yes. And honey, it is fancier than McFancy. I just have one question. When the last time you been to Dollar Tree? Did you see these cosmetic bags? So gorgeous. They come in different colors. They have the pink. They also have this green. Oh my goodness, like a chicken wing. Honey, love the green. The green is my thing, like a chicken wing. And then they also have the blue. How about you, honey? This is so gorgeous, and these are $1.25. Love this, honey. You better run to Dollar Tree. No, don't run, okay? But you better move quick, right? Look at this. Have you guys seen this? Hand wipes. Now this is a 4 collection, ginger, citrus. Now you get 20 wipes for $1.25. They have a few of these. Pumpkin scented. Sugar cookie scented. Now, if you're looking for your feet to be soft and not crusty and dusty, Dollar Tree has this soft as heel oil gel smoothing heel patch, all right, with lavender oil, castor oil, and acid, $1.25. Are you looking for any wipes that says biodegradable? Now, Dollar Tree has these wipes from Global Beauty, biodegradable wipes, 3 benefits in 1, gently removes makeup, cleanses, and soothe. Okay, how about that? 25 wipes for $1.25. Honey, it gets even fancier. Check this out. Now, Dollar Tree, of course, they still have the Super Greens, the Vitality Serum with spinach and hyaluronic acid. They have 2 of these left. The word, like Big Bird, is these are good in the streets, all right? $1.25. Now, another major find that Dollar Tree has is the Gold Shimmer. Now, this is the gel body wash. And then they also have different ones. They have the pink, the gold, and also the black. Now, oh, berry scented. I'm like, where's the signs? Vanilla scented. And then tangerine scented. Now, to the cat lovers. I'm just joking. Dollar Tree has these Whiskers Wispies 3D Folks Mink Lashes. And these are $1.25. Honey, handmade, they say 100%. 3D lashes. Oh, they have so many to choose from. Molly, Nayla, Oli, Cleo. Remember Cleo? Called Menon, right? The psychic. Honey. Now, if you guys have not picked any of these items up from Delos, I think that's how you pronounce it, lash and makeup bar, I don't know what you waiting for. Now, Dollar Tree, this is by far my favorite teal. Oh my goodness, metallic teal. You see this? This eyeshadow is so good. And then they also have metallic purple, glow in the dark eyeshadow sticks. Ciao. And then of course the lipsticks down here, $1.25. Alright, so why you guys didn't tell me this is a dupe pumpkin elephant? Oh no! Now, they have the Dermasil Melon Jelly Cleanser, sulfate free, Dermasil Whipped Recovery Cream. They also have the Hydro Serum Blueberry Extract, and honey, one time for the one time. Face serum oil. Honey, if they ain't out here moving and grooving, I don't know who it is. Now, another viral find is the Guru Nada Oxyburst Whitening Mouthwash, up to three shades whiter as quickly as 2 weeks. Oxyburst technology. Now, this is $1.25. This had went viral on another platform, TikTok. Honey, you better get with Guru Nada. Now, other items that Dollar Tree has that I absolutely love is the Orchid, the chin acne patches, reduces inflammation. These are so good. You get 2 of these for $1.25. They also have the nose patch as well. You get 2 of these for $1.25 as well. Now, other amazing wipes Dollar Tree has is from BioPure, the antibacterial hand wipes, Honey Apple. They also have Sweet Harvest. You get 40 wipes for $1.25. Around here, we call that a steal deal like Holyfield. They also have the Strawberry Shortcake. And then they also have the Cozy Vanilla. And then also the Cherry Pie. Ooh, child. Alright, remember I told you guys about the adjustable headbands? Now they have it at this location. This is $1.25. The only color they have, it appears to be black. Love that. If you guys are looking for wide tooth combs, this is a wide tooth wig comb. Great for detangling and anti-frizz styling from Softy, no other. And that's words to the mother and the brother. $1.25. They also have Softy oil-free wig shine, coconut hibiscus. This is $1.25. Now, I cannot stop raving about this stuff right here. This is the rosemary hair protection made with rosemary, citronella, and tea tree oil. When I tell you this stuff smells absolutely delightful, it smells so amazing. $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the bubble bath that it appeared that they just put this out. The Cherry Blossom, Disney Princess, Stitch, Bubble Bath, Mango Madness, and Berry Blast Scented Bubble Bath Spider-Man. Now, this is so cute. Scissors and nail clipper for the babies. Ideal for gentle grooming. Dollar Tree has the scissors and nail clipper. This is $1.25, and this appears to be the only color that they currently have this in. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. They also have the comb and brush set. 1 comb, 1 brush, 2-pack, $1.25. Now, these hair coils, 4 pieces you get for $1.50. These are styling. Now, when it comes to the hair accessories, this headband is so gorgeous. Now, this is $1.25. I love this. They have the bigger ones, but this smaller one, this is really, really gorgeous. Now, Dollar Tree has these 10-pair low-cut Marilyn Monroe socks. Love this, for $5. They also have these collection socks. These are $5 as well, I believe. Now, the only thing that I just wish that these were a little thicker when it comes to the bottom right here to capture that sweat. These bare paw socks, oh my goodness, when they said super soft low cut, they wasn't lying. Now, you get 5 pairs for $5. That is a freaking steal. Like, Holyfield, this is excellent. Now, they also have Scooby-Doo. How about the Powerpuff Girls? Oh my goodness. Hey Arnold. Chill. Hey Arnold. Move it, football head. That was the cartoon back in the day. Love that. They also have Bluey. Oh my. Now, Dollar Tree has these gorgeous notebooks, and they are so thick. They have the lines in them. $3. Love this. They also have the golden blue ones at the top. $3 a steal. Now, if you are looking to organize your life, Dollar Tree has to-do list over here with the erase board. This is $3. If you guys are looking for stackable tables, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Now, they come in about 4 different shades. They have the gray, the beige, the dark brown, and also the light brown. These are $10. Okay, so this is my first time seeing these Tony's Taco Night Seasoning. Check this out. Let us know in the comment section if you guys tried this, and if so, how was it? I mean, there's so many new finds at this Dollar Tree location. Flavor Bowl, Spicy Bowl, Jalapeno sauce. And then they also have the Sriracha Ranch sauce. Look at this, $1.25. When I first seen these, I was like, oh my goodness, they have granola. But one of the things I noticed was not clusters. You know, not clusters. I like granola clusters, but they do have the strawberry mellow granola bites to keep you going. Because, oh child, $1.25. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item that you seen. Mine definitely was the St. Ives. Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe it. That, and then they beauty items. Oh child, Dollar Tree is just, you know, they just doing it for me. You get what I'm saying, Linda? They just doing it for me. Now, let us know in the comment section, what are some of the items that you just picked up that you are like, oh my goodness, I can't believe Dollar Tree is selling this now. And also, what are you on a hunt for from Dollar Tree? With that being said, keep on rocking out, believing in yourselves. I love you guys. Keep on going, keep on growing. Till next time. Peace.